Hi everyone, in today's video I want to show you how to turn your mobile phone into a Wi-Fi hotspot to share your internet connection with other devices. The first step is click on settings on the menu screen. The second step is to locate network and internet, then click on it. Then the next step is to locate hotspot and tethering, then click on it. Good. Now the next step is to configure your Wi-Fi hotspot. Then you click on Wi-Fi hotspot. Now this is where you configure your hotspots. First of all, you click on hotspot name. You write your name. As for me, I will use Uncle MB as my hotspot name. Okay. Next thing is to click on security type, then choose the one you want. As for me, I will choose this one. Then next thing is to what? To insert your password. You put inside the password you think it is good for you. Click OK. Now when you do this, you are now configured. Then it's left for you to turn on your hotspot for you to enjoy sharing your network. Now the final step is to connect the other device to the hotspot you've configured earlier. You click on Wi-Fi. After then, you search for the name, which is Uncle MB, if you remember. Click on it. Then you insert the password you've set up earlier on that device, which is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Then finally click on connect. Wow, now you are connected. You are connected to the hotspot. Thank you for watching. And that's it. Your mobile hotspot is ready to use now. So don't forget to subscribe to Online Solutions Hub for more tech tutorials. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe.